How to explore your Solflare wallet private key. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Solflare wallet on your device. After you do that, sign into your account and your wallet will be ready. To explore your Solflare wallet private key, go ahead and click on the three lines on the top left hand side. Then tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, just go ahead and tap on the three dots on top of the wallet which you want to check out. So after you do this, you can see the export private key option. Go ahead and tap on export private key. Make sure to never show your private key to anyone that has it. It can gain all full control of your wallet. So just go ahead and copy the code. Once you see the code, you can just go ahead and copy it and paste it. So this is how easy it is to explore the Solflare wallet private key. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.